Sony has just dropped an absolute powerhouse that's already making waves in the filmmaking and content creation world, the all-new Sony FX3 II. This isn't just a minor refresh of the original FX3, it's a full-fledged evolution that elevates Sony's cinema line to new heights while keeping the same compact, travel-friendly form factor that creators everywhere fell in love with. Whether you're a documentary filmmaker, a YouTube creator, a wedding cinematographer, or a professional doing commercial client work, this camera is loaded with features that meet modern demands. In today's deep dive, we'll unpack the Sony FX3 II's release details, specifications, upgraded features, and real-world use cases. If you're searching for a hybrid mirrorless camera that blends portability with professional-grade performance, you'll want to stick around. A cinematic beast in a compact shell, Sony didn't just upgrade the internals of the FX3, they reimagined what a lightweight cinema camera could be. While the FX3 II retains its ultra-portable body, nearly every internal component has been enhanced to deliver pro-level performance without the need for external accessories or cages. At the heart of the FX3 II is a brand new 26MP back-illuminated, full-frame sensor paired with Sony's latest Beyond's XR image processor. This combination delivers lightning-fast readout speeds, allowing for better handling of motion, significantly reduced rolling shutter, and improved dynamic range. Whether you're shooting fast-paced sports or handheld narrative scenes, this new sensor makes a huge difference. At 120 FPS. With no crop, one of the most exciting upgrades in the FX3 II is its ability to record 4K at up to 120 frames per second with no sensor crop. That's right. Slow-motion videographers and cinematic storytellers can now enjoy full-frame slow-mo with all the rich detail and color fidelity intact. With enhanced internal color processing, your footage will look more lifelike and filmic, straight out of the camera. And if you're someone who likes to work with flexible aspect ratios, you'll love that the FX3 II supports open gate recording. That means the full sensor area is utilized, allowing you to crop, reframe, or deliver in vertical formats for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts without sacrificing quality. Internal 12-bit RAW. No external recorder needed. One of the game-changing features here is the ability to record 12-bit RAW video internally. You no longer need to haul around an external recorder like the Atomos Ninja, just to get top-tier color grading flexibility. The FX3 II records internal RAW to CFX Press Type B cards, giving you maximum image quality without adding to your rig. Post-production workflows. This means greater flexibility with exposure adjustments, white balance tweaks, and dynamic color grading, all while keeping your kit lightweight and efficient. It's the kind of advancement that opens new creative doors for indie filmmakers and YouTube content creators alike. Autofocus gets even smarter. Sony's already well-known real-time eye autofocus system has been improved even further in the FX3 II. The new AI-based subject recognition system can now track humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles with higher accuracy. Whether your subject turns their head, walks off axis, or lighting conditions change dramatically, the FX3 II sticks to the subject like glue. This makes it an ideal tool for solo shooters, vloggers, and documentarians who rely on reliable autofocus to nail the shot on the first take. Combined with the responsive touchscreen and intuitive menu system, this is one of the most user-friendly pro cameras Sony has ever made. Low light legend. Sony has always excelled in low light, and the FX3 II takes that reputation to the next level. Thanks to the new sensor and refined noise reduction algorithms, you can comfortably shoot at high ISO values without compromising detail or introducing excessive grain. If you're filming weddings, live events, or cityscapes at night, this camera is a low-light powerhouse. Combined with improved skin tone rendering and Sony's refined S-Cinetone color profile, the FX3 II delivers footage that's ready to go right out of camera or ready to be pushed in post. Better handling, better cooling, better ergonomics, while the FX3 II looks similar to its predecessor from the outside. A number of physical improvements make this a more refined tool in practice. There's a newly added dedicated stills button, allowing you to quickly switch modes for hybrid shooting scenarios. The grip has also been slightly reshaped for better comfort, and the buttons are now easier to locate by feel ideal when operating in fast-paced environments. Thermal performance is another area where Sony has stepped up. The FX3 II features an enhanced cooling system, allowing for longer record times with minimal risk of overheating. This is especially useful for wedding filmmakers, interview shooters, or anyone working on long-form content. Flexible media support in terms of connectivity, the FX3 II includes everything a professional creator needs. Dual card slots, full-size HDMI output USB-C for power and data transfer Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth for wireless control and file management (ERAW). Also get built-in tally lights, multiple 1/4-inch thread mounts, and excellent XLR audio support via the included top handle. With high-quality preamps, you can plug in professional microphones without needing a separate audio recorder. This all makes the FX3 II a true all-in-one cinema tool that can scale to larger productions or run lean for solo content creators. Seamless integration into the Sony ecosystem. If you're already using Sony mirrorless bodies like the A7S III, A7IV, or the original FX3, upgrading to the FX3 II is completely seamless. All your existing E-mount lenses, NP, FZ100 batteries, and most accessories will work without issue. This makes it a perfect addition to an existing Sony kit or a smart first step into the brand's cinema system. Final thoughts. The Sony FX3 II isn't just a small refresh, it's a significant leap forward for compact cinema cameras. It fixes nearly every limitation of the original FX3 while packing in premium features typically found in larger, more expensive rigs. With its new sensor, faster processor, internal 12-bit RAW recording, and industry-leading autofocus, this is the kind of camera that will serve professionals and enthusiasts alike for years to come. If you're serious about filmmaking or want to take your content creation to the next level, the FX3 II is one of the best mirrorless cinema cameras of 2025 bar none. Thanks for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone for this deep dive into the Sony FX3 II. If you found this breakdown helpful or exciting, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on camera reviews, buyer guides, and filmmaking tips. See you in the next video. Until then, keep shooting and stay creative.